So let's have our very first problem. We are asked to find the derivative of e raised to 2x minus 1. So since this is a base e, you just write it in this form, e to the u times u prime. And our base or itself is, we just write first itself, e to the 2x minus 1. And then the derivative of its exponent. We have 2x minus 1, and the derivative of this one is just 2. So derivative of this is 2e raised to the 2x minus 1. Now if we rewrite this in, if we apply the properties or its properties, actually this is equal to e raised to the 2x over e. And if we differentiate this one, it is better if we write it in this form because it will be easier for us than this one. Next is we have this e raised to the negative 3 over x. So first is you're just going to write itself negative e to the negative 3 over x, and the derivative of the u. Our u here is equal to negative 3 over x. Or we can rewrite this as negative 3 x raised to negative 1. And the derivative of our u is just equal to negative 1 times negative 3 x raised to negative 2, or simply 3 over x squared. So we multiply it with the derivative of the u, that is 3 over x squared. And we have the derivative of this one, 3 over x squared times e raised to negative 3 over x. Or if you want, if you don't like to see a negative exponent, we can also write this as 3 over x squared e raised to the 3x. They are just the same thing.